To KwaZulu-Natal, where there's still a backlog in DNA analysis reports countrywide as well that is hampering the justice system. Parliament's Portfolio Committee on Police is conducting an oversight visit in KwaZulu-Natal at the police's forensic lab in Amanzimtoti. The lab was damaged by floods back in 2017. Newzroom Afrika's Karinda Jagmohan is standing by to tell us what we've unearthed this hour at least. Hello, Karinda.
Certainly, Dudu, good day to you and our viewers. Well, the police committee or the Parliament Committee over Police has been conducting the oversight visit. We visited 2 labs so far. Unfortunately, we couldn't take our cameras in to show you what was happening inside, but not much was happening inside. The first visit that we went to was a building just nearby. And just before I describe that, I'll remind you that in KZN, the police here have 3 buildings that are leased out for forensic science labs, 1 that is already owned by government and 1 is being leased by government. So essentially, we do not have a building in KwaZulu-Natal that is owned by government for forensic science labs or owned by police for this, meaning that to lease out these 3 buildings, it costs police over 400,000 rand every single month to lease out the 3 buildings that are used as forensic labs. This is one of them here in Amanzimtoti. We'll just show you the signs here and some of the offices that are here currently. And what we also hear right now, or when we were at the first building, we saw that a number of machines were out of order, meaning those machines weren't working despite it being in the office and police saying that they are doing the work. So the committee was quite concerned about that, questioning why it is that there is this entire building for forensic science lab to work in, but a number of machines are still out of order. They spent just a few minutes here at this, and they're also very concerned about the degrading state of these labs. The impact of this means that because machines are out of order, because the labs cannot operate to full capacity, this has a direct impact on criminal investigations and the court process, whereby court processes or court cases are stalled because there's no DNA evidence reports yet given, because there's a backlog at labs like this one. The committee is going to be writing a report and sharing it with Parliament over the next month, and also tomorrow, in fact they're just leaving now, they're going to head to the Eastern Cape where they'll do a similar oversight visit. But what we see here is essentially Parliament or groups from Parliament coming to the ground to look at the state of government entities responsible for criminal investigations. In this case, it's a forensic science lab, and they found here at this lab in particular an issue of degradation of machinery and concerns that the lab is not functioning to full capacity.
Karinda Jagmohan, thank you very much for that update.